And mi napenda kupeana example. What is the need uende ukunywe, you feel good for 2 hours, then for the rest of the 22 hours you feel depressed, you spend your time in misery, unaona? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Cactus Advent. Here at Cactus Advent, we are true to who we are, therefore reminding you to be you, to be unique, and to be better. At last episode, we looked at what were some of the causes and effects of depression and anxiety. And in today's episode, we are going to look at some of the unhealthy ways which people are dealing with this maintenance. Unaona? So, the first way that people are coping up with depression and anxiety is through substance abuse. Na kuna hii meme famous ama nimeiona ikitrend on social media inasema ukienda upate pesa yako hizi solve shida zako, enda ukunywe. And you know that mindset, people say it's a meme, but that mindset is with a lot of people right now. Say people, instead of addressing their problems, they go to drink to avoid thinking about their problems. And in the short term, they feel good. Like you feel good that umesahau shida zako, like shida zako ni kama zimeenda. But you only feel good once you are on alcohol, once you are on weed, once you are on cat ama jaba, once you are on prescription pills ama illegal drugs, whatever drug you use, you only feel good in the short term, naona. But once the effect wears off, you start the feeling of depression and anxiety comes back, and it comes back more stronger because that issue has not been resolved, and the same issue is still there. So unapata, to cope up with this thing, ama to get off of this problem, you become a casual drinker, you become a casual smoker, you become a frequent drug user, so that you will forget your problems. And then in that process, manzo unakuwa addicted, unapata hauwezi do this drug. Na ulianza kama as a way to escape your problem, but now it becomes a problem on itself, so that you can't do without drugs. And that's why I say that drugs are not the solution. Kama uko na stress, go find a way, but drugs don't help. Because first of all, kwanza ukianza kujiengage na drugs, you lose your emotional stability, because there is no neutral ground for people who use substances. It's either you are feeling good or you are feeling worse. No, hakuna neutral ground. Na most of the times you don't spend even feeling good, you spend feeling bad. What is the need? And mi napenda kupeana example. What is the need uende ukunywe, you feel good for 2 hours, then for the rest of the 22 hours you feel depressed, you spend your time in misery, you know? Drugs are not the solution. Drugs only make your matters worse. No matter how the entertainment industry and no matter how the media may want to glorify it and lie to you as though this is the ultimate image, for sure this is not the ultimate lifestyle. It's only a way to add in of your problems. Kama sasa uko na shida moja, trust me, ukiingia into drugs itakuwa more and more. And trust me, you only start with one, but over a very short period of time, you complement more and more, because you want to sustain that feeling. You want that feeling to continue and continue. Unapata manze una withdraw from social circles, because once you get into drugs, it's very hard to get along with your family, and from the support systems, the people who are supposed to help you, they can't help you because you think they are the ones who don't understand you, and you withdraw from them and you go to the people who think they understand you. The people in the club are those people only mislead you, no? The second way that people are coping up with this thing is through escapism or avoidance. Most people don't want to think about their problems. And I've only given one example of using drugs. People spend most of their times, watching excessive Netflix, playing video games, using a lot of social media, and even sleeping a lot to avoid getting through these emotions. And in the short term, yes, it helps. You forget your problems. You forget the real world. You get into your own created heaven, which you think it can exist forever. But this is only short term. But in the long term, the problems which you've been avoiding continue piling up till one day you bottle up these feelings one day, and the day which they throw up, they don't leave you at quite a good place, unaona. with long periods of time of avoiding your problems, there is increased guilt, manzi. Like you start feeling guilty that you have not been solving this problem. You start having unproductivity. This is where you are not active in the real life. Umse auchangi anywhere in the real life. Kama kuna some duties, kama kuna some job unafaa ufanye, you are not as proactive as you should be. Na hii inarudisha mtu tu nyuma, unaona? Na I want to tell you, hakuna kitu patient kama shida zako, unaona? There is nothing patient as your problems. Your problems don't go anywhere. Your problems will be waiting for you 10, 20 years, 30 years. As long as you're alive, your problems will be always be there. And the moment you know that secret, address your problems right now before they continue piling up and piling up. Because every time you continue avoiding, they get worse and they get worse. Join me next week as we continue this mind-blowing conversation here.